So I'm setting up a workout area in my shed. It's a 12 by 20 shed, but I'm going to use this section for my bench, which is brand new. I just picked it up. I got some Olympic bars here as well. What I want to have on the floor are these some rubber, just to protect the plywood floor in the shed, and to just give a little cushion on the floor. And I picked up these fairly inexpensive anti-fatigue floor mats, and you see these all over the internet. They're like little puzzle pieces that go together. These are, I think, 25 by 25. So I'm going to put these together. I may have to buy another container. I actually bought these at a local Job Lots, but you can buy them on Amazon as well, or any sporting goods store, I would imagine, even a department store. So I want to have put this bench, this York barbell bench, on top of these mats. So I think each of them are 3/8 inch in thickness. 3/8 inch thickness. They're 25 by 25, but the puzzle part is an inch, so it's really like 24 by 24 when you actually insert one piece into the other. So I'm going to open them up now and start putting them together. So I laid out one package. One package consists of 4 pieces. So it comes out, it's basically a 4x4 square after you insert the puzzle pieces. And one thing I wanted to show was, if you get down closer, the edge has an edge piece. So you have a nice, good looking edge if you want to use them or not, and I will use them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this edge from here so that I can add to this going over this way. So I'll add to this side and add to this side as well. So I'm just going to remove the edges from here. Take them out and remove the edge from here so that I can expand this over another 2 feet on this side and another 2 feet on this side. I'm going to do the same here. Get rid of that. And get rid of that. And I'm just going to put this piece over here. Let me clear out some stuff. So I put the first few pieces together. You can see everything just fits right in nice and snug. Here's an example of how they fit. You can see it's exactly like a puzzle. And so I'm just going to push down on this section, and very simple. And here's the back. You can see how they'll slide right into each other. And once again, we have this section here, which also slides in. And you can see how these are going to line right up. Just slide them right into place. I do like the fact that they're not real spongy, but they're it's a nice cushion for your weights, or even if you were going to do any type of sit-ups on this area. And let's put this last piece together. So we got 4x8 section here that is going to work perfectly. There's the last piece here. I think it looks really nice and really dresses up the floor, and took me maybe 10 minutes to install it. One thing that you have to notice is that there are pieces for, like this piece is for in the middle, and this piece is for a corner. See, there's a corner piece. So you just got to make sure you, like down here, I can find a piece that will work perfectly for, like this piece should work perfectly in this section. So if I could take this piece out, and I can just, as you can see, it fits in perfectly because you have the corner piece in the back. Hard to see, you can see the corner piece in the back, and then just this just fits in perfectly. So you don't have to do any cutting at all, which is great. And over here, this had inadvertently had a corner piece in there. So I'm just going to grab one of these center pieces, and you can see it fits in perfectly. So it's a puzzle. You just got to figure out the puzzle. Pretty straightforward. So now we have corner piece there, corner piece there. These are in the middle, corner piece there, and a corner piece underneath that.